In this video, we're going to show you how to install a trunk lift support on your Ford 500. There's one here on the driver's side and one on the passenger side. On the top right here, there's going to be a little metal clip. We're going to use a pocket screwdriver. We go into the back side here and gently pry out. With that clip released, go ahead and give this a little bump. You want to be sure to hold that trunk lid because this can come down and collapse if the other lift support is not strong enough. The clip that we popped out here, we're going to do the same on the bottom. Go ahead and push that out. For the installation, you do not need the screwdriver. You're simply going to line up the bottom socket right here. Line it right onto that little ball stud there. Push it right on, it snaps into place. Give that a little wiggle, make sure it's in place. I'm going to go ahead and do the same for the top. Line that up. Push it right on, give that a wiggle. Give it a little test. Once this is completed, you can go ahead and repeat the same process for the passenger side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.